curious sensation. Fingers along, fingers are free, shoulder blades apart, shoulders can roll, head neck is free, hips can move, belly can breathe. Then, pubic bone to belly button, the front of the hips coming towards each other, ribs into the body, shoulders forward, round in the spine, turn the arms in. My collarbone, my pubic bone in line with each other. Maybe look towards your right fingertips. Yeah? And drop the top arm down, lift the back heel up, nothing less, and step forward. Fingers are free. Head, neck is free. I'm not going to give those 5 points. You have the fingers, you have the shoulders, you have the head, neck.
Okay, so bones adapt, bones develop, bones change. Bones aren't static, and bones depend on nutrition, on rest, on exercise, on movement, on all these things. Sounds okay? All right. What's holding bones together? If the cartilage is completely worn away in a joint. You got bone on bone. Does that sound fun? No. So what do they do these days? What do they replace it with? Yeah? What do they replace it with? Some sort of metal thing that they screw in, right? There's a socket like this. What do they do to that? They grind it away. And then replace that with something as well. Does that sound fun? They are quite amazing now, but there's a catch. We talked about bones, and bones can regenerate, can't they? You can break a bone and it can heal. Isn't that amazing? What if it's metal and Teflon? What is your body doing to foreign things in the body? It's trying to get rid of them, yeah? So how long does a hip replacement or anything similar to that last? It depends, doesn't it? Imagine my knee didn't move at all. Would it be good maybe to spend some time mobilizing my knee over a period of time so my ligaments allowed movement? Yeah? But what if I kept going like I did? I kept going. Then what happens? Becomes too flexible, and doesn't that sound great? I'm too flexible. The best example of this is to look at your own bicep. If your arm is long, the muscle is long. When you send the signal to bring your fist towards your shoulder, notice that the shape of the muscle changes. Yeah, it goes like this. Imagine that turns into this. Does that make sense? Because the fibers are working towards each other. And therefore, as it connects to the bones with the tendons, it's pulling the bones closer towards each other. But when muscles tense, they don't always pull bones closer towards each other. Most muscular activation is just creating stability. It's about breathing. Yeah, so it's connected to bones, but it looks like this. When it tenses, it does that and moves the lungs. Can you think of other muscles in the body that are very important? Your heart. Your heart is a muscle that's tensing and relaxing. As it tenses, it acts like a pump. In fact, it's got 2 tensing areas, yeah?
Already hips are facing forward, so you don't have to do much of it. Yeah? Did everyone get a chance to teach? Okay. And I'm still seeing your elbows are slightly bent, not encouraging a spinal movement too yet. So extend, expand belly chest. Maybe neck forward, chin up. Encourage that lengthening of the spine.
Turn your arms out. Everyone did something different. Yeah. So in and out for the arms is really confusing. I'll tell you why. Have your arms like this. Turn in, turn out. Obvious. But if you keep doing that and lift your arms up, it gets backwards. Now this is in, but it's kind of out, and this is out, but it's kind of in.
Slight sit bone down, but reach the arms up rather than reaching back, reach up. Okay? Arms coming down, swap legs, round, step left forward, right leg back, drop the back knee, palms onto the mat, expand belly, expand chest, collarbone lift up, maybe neck forward, chin up. Forward fold, we will do it tomorrow. From the forward fold, step back, round, come up, shoulders, front leg actions.
Just teaching this one. Reach the arms forward, reach the arms forward. Maybe. Take the arms like this. But then it's easy to maintain that.
This is what I was doing. Yeah, go onto the sitting bones. Lift the chest, and then reach the arms forward and lift the legs. Try this with me. These are the cues that I used to hear. So, sit in the same starting position, but your weight should be on the sitting bones. I quote my teachers from Melbourne. Lean forward onto your sitting bones, straighten the spine, and now lift the legs.
How does that feel? What muscles are turning on when you lean onto the sitting bones? Feel it, do it. Go onto the sit bones, what muscles turn on? Your back muscles. What's the opposite of your back muscle? Your abs. So your six packs are forced off through reciprocal inhibition. That doesn't make any sense once you understand.
And you try to stay there with your back muscles.
You're like this, and it's torture, yeah? So let's do it the other way around. Expand your belly. Fingers, shoulders, all the way. Fingers. Now use your hands and go to the fingers.
And I go down. I'm actually living in...
Kind of really put the elbows in, giving you more strength to go down and forward yourself. Yeah? Shall we try? Down, weight on the hands under the elbows. Nice. Because if my hands are somewhere next to the shoulders or under the wrist or forward, stand belly. On the surface of the shoulders. As slow as possible, send the hands all the way down.
And my neck will also allow you to be really amazing to see. Same thing also for people asking you something or students asking you something, and you really don't know the answer for them. Yeah, maybe it's round all the way down. Step the right leg forward, left leg back, then push down, going up and reach up. Then shift the leg into the feet. And it's the most beautiful of the perfect breath. And if you become belly back together, roll yourself forward, drop the knees. Bring the feet close to touch. And then shift the belly back into the chest.